How's it guys? In today's video with VinylCut we'll be showing you the zoom tool and how to move your canvas around. Today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. Software Training's website has lots of videos about how to solve specific software problems in real use cases. New videos uploaded daily. Okay, now once we're in VinylCut, we have to first locate the zoom tool, which will be on our left side panel here, near the bottom. You will see there's a little magnifying glass with a plus on it. If we select this, and then on the top, its tool options will be presented on top here. The first icon is a magnifying glass with a plus, second one with a minus. So if you click the plus, it will zoom in, the minus will zoom out. On the right here, we've got the percentage, how far we zoomed in, and a little slider bar. So now you can either put in a custom amount that you like to zoom, press enter, it will zoom, or you grab the slider bar and adjust this accordingly. Then also, if you have your zoom tool selected, you go on the canvas and you just click, it will zoom in for you. If you press Alt and click, it will zoom out. Then you can also see at the bottom left here, tells you how far you're zoomed in, so you can also click that little arrow and you select a new zoom. Then to move the canvas, what you want to do is you keep your spacebar in, and then if you click and drag on the canvas, you will see now it moves the canvas for you. So this helps if you zoomed in close and you need to make changes to your design. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. For more videos like this, visit softwaretraining.co.za. You can easily navigate by software name, version, and select the topic you would like to watch. Use search the challenge you're facing. If you do not find the answers you're looking for, you can also submit a request here, so we can make the video for you. Till next time, cheers.